When it comes to enhancing the security of your Southlake home, there are many options to consider, from smart security systems to motion detectors. However, one often overlooked but highly effective security feature is outdoor lighting. More specifically, LED Soffit lighting can play a crucial role in improving the safety and security of your property. By strategically placing LED lights around the soffits, the underside of your roof eaves, you can achieve both aesthetic appeal and increased protection against potential threats. Here's how outdoor LED Soffit lighting can improve security around your Southlake home, and why it's a smart investment for homeowners looking to create a safer, more secure environment. Illuminates dark areas and removes hiding spots. One of the primary benefits of installing LED Soffit lighting is the illumination it provides for dark areas around your home. Dark corners, under eaves, or hidden sections of your property can become prime spots for intruders to hide. Criminals often prefer to operate in low-light conditions where they can remain unseen. Soffit lighting effectively brightens these areas, eliminating potential hiding spots for unwanted visitors. By placing lights along the soffits, you ensure that your home is well lit from all angles. The lighting reduces shadows around the exterior of your house, which makes it difficult for anyone to sneak around unnoticed. Whether it's your driveway, backyard, or side yard, strategically placed soffit lights help make your entire property more visible, improving the overall security of your home. Increases visibility and makes entryways safer. The front door and other entryways are the most common points of entry for burglars. A well-lit entryway sends a clear message that the area is monitored and that your home is not an easy target. Outdoor LED Soffit lighting helps illuminate key access points, such as doors, windows, and gates, allowing you and your family members to easily navigate the exterior of your home even at night. With improved visibility around your entry points, you also reduce the risk of accidents and falls when walking outside. Whether you're arriving home after dark or letting your dog out, the added lighting ensures that you can safely and confidently navigate the exterior of your home. Deters criminal activity and provides a visible deterrent. Outdoor lighting is one of the most effective ways to deter criminal activity. Burglars and intruders are far less likely to target a well-lit home because the risk of getting caught is higher. When soffit lighting is installed around the perimeter of your home, it creates a continuous light source that covers the outside of your property, making it difficult for someone to approach undetected. The visibility provided by LED soffit lights acts as a powerful deterrent to potential criminals. When an intruder sees that your home is well lit and monitored, they're more likely to move on to a less conspicuous target. Soffit lighting also improves the visibility of surveillance cameras or other security features, ensuring that intruders are aware that they are being watched. Energy efficient and long-lasting LED soffit lighting is an energy efficient and eco-friendly solution for enhancing your home's security. Unlike traditional incandescent bulbs, LED lights consume much less energy, which means lower electricity bills for you. Additionally, LED lights have a longer lifespan than traditional bulbs, so you won't have to worry about frequently replacing them. This makes them a cost-effective option for homeowners who want to improve their property's security without breaking the bank. The durability and longevity of LED lights make them an ideal choice for outdoor lighting. Soffit lights are exposed to the elements, so you need a lighting solution that is built to withstand weather conditions in Southlake, such as rain, wind, and temperature fluctuations. LED lights are known for their resilience, ensuring that they will continue to function effectively, regardless of the weather. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. While the primary purpose of LED soffit lighting is to enhance security, it also improves the overall aesthetic appeal of your home. Well-placed soffit lighting highlights the architectural features of your home, such as the roofline, exterior trim, or landscaping. This can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your property, making it stand out and look more inviting. When installed around the soffits, the lighting creates a soft, ambient glow that emphasizes the beauty of your home's exterior while still serving a functional purpose. Whether you're hosting a gathering or simply enjoying the view from your living room, the added lighting will create a warm, welcoming atmosphere for both your family and guests. Customizable lighting for specific needs. One of the key advantages of outdoor LED soffit lighting is its flexibility and customization. You can adjust the brightness, color, and direction of the lights to suit your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prefer bright, white lighting for maximum visibility or softer, warmer tones for a more inviting ambiance, LED soffit lights can be tailored to fit the mood and aesthetic of your home. Moreover, you can install dimmers or smart controls to manage the lighting according to the time of day or your preferences. For example, you could have the lights brighten automatically at dusk and dim after midnight to conserve energy while maintaining a secure environment. This level of customization ensures that your lighting is both functional and energy efficient. Increases property value. Investing in outdoor LED soffit lighting not only enhances the security and beauty of your home but can also increase its market value. Homebuyers often look for properties with enhanced safety features and curb appeal, and outdoor lighting can be a major selling point. A well-lit home is more attractive to potential buyers, and the added security benefits make your property more desirable in a competitive real estate market. Conclusion. Outdoor LED soffit lighting is a smart and effective way to enhance security around your Southlake home. By improving visibility, deterring criminal activity, and creating a safer environment, soffit lighting provides both practical and aesthetic benefits. With energy efficiency, long-lasting durability, and customizable options, LED soffit lighting is an investment that can increase the safety, beauty, and value of your home. If you're looking to improve your home's security while enhancing its curb appeal, LED soffit lighting is a simple yet powerful solution that delivers lasting results.